Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been looking at some of these new radios that are coming out, and a lot of people are, and myself included, are saying, boy, they're really expensive. So I thought I would do a little comparison. So I got my Radio Shack catalog, one of my catalog. It's a 1980 catalog. And then I found a website on the internet that would convert 1980 dollars to 2021 dollars, theoretically. And so I started doing some comparisons, and I want to show you this. Okay, here is a Radio Shack 6-band portable radio, very popular back then. Matter of fact, I've reviewed, I think, this one right here, and it sold for $70 in 1980. In today's money, 2021, that would be $22. All right, here's another example over here. We have a table radio. I've also done a review of this one. This sold for $380 back in 1980. That would cost you today $1,206. This is theoretical, but just think about it. So right now, a Sangean ATS 909 X2, brand new from Amazon, is $287. $287 compared to these prices here for a much better radio, higher technology and all that good stuff. Here's some other numbers. Here's the Texan PL990, and these are all Amazon prices, $270. When you think about it, it ain't that bad. The Texan PL680, which has been out for a while, is only $150. I've got that radio, and I love that radio. It would run rings around these radios here from Radio Shack back in the 1980s. How about just a little Texan PL310ET? It sells for $48 right now. It's all $48. How about the Eaton? Now this one's kind of really gone high because I think when I got it was like $235, and it was a Grundig 750. It's now the Eaton Elite. It's $399. Yeah, that's compared to a couple years ago, maybe 5 years ago, I got it for $239. So it's just something to think about. You think these prices are high? Oh my gosh. These radios were expensive back then in 1980. Now let me see if I still have that website. Nope. I'm going to see if I still had that website up. I was going to just try some other numbers, but I'd already closed. Yeah, I already closed it. Okay. What do you think? Am I crazy? I was among all the rest of you. I was thinking, this Sangean for $287, that was way too much. That's not really that much. You look at these other prices back in the 1980s, converted to 2021 theoretically. This one I'd probably be, like $80 back then. Yeah. What do you think? That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.